Man, I think a good chunk of Arkansas and the Midwest is gonna hate me for this, but it needs to be done. So on today's episode, I'm gonna go over the psychology and body language of this video that's been going viral in everybody's inbox for the past 2 months. In the video, you can't really hear anything up until the light gets turned on. And then after that, all you see and hear is holding his face and the other man shouting and yelling. The first thing about this whole incident, the young man recording the video was not identified. Because of the fact that this was just another person that's part of the community with no platform, it gave the other party free reign to tell his side of the story as much as he wanted to whoever wanted to know about it. So much so that he was also open to telling his story immediately to whatever stranger hit up message requests, because one of those strangers sent me screenshots just as well. So despite all the extra rumors that are going around about this video, straight from ALBIOUS' mouth himself, he has said, "This happened a few months ago. This was not or anything like that. He's 22. I asked him if he was okay with it and he said yes. Then he told me to go down and punched me. He said that if I didn't give him more money, he would post the video." So let's run it back a few seconds to where I said in the video, you can't really hear anything. Except whenever that video came into my possession, I had the opportunity to crank up the volume 300% and listen to it so hard that I was able to add subtitles to what was being said. With the power and the greatness of God, they found me and contacted me and cleared up what was said and also cleared up more of what happened during that incident. You said, he said what? Let's go over it.
Luto ka?
Ito?
No.
Ito pa hindi. Ano?
Luto ka? Lanche dara min? Karagray? Karagray?
Oh, ito.
Ito.
Kung ka pa
And also, let's clear up this part because everybody thinks the dude recording the video admitted to being in jail for committing rape and molestation himself. If you really listen to the way he speaks, so it's a little apilala. On the other end, you have to understand body language and psychology to understand that the young man recording the video is in fight or flight mode. He's having a PTSD response and he's in shock. Because one thing they don't tell you is that American jail for men is way more dangerous than being out in the streets. So nothing that ALBIOUS has said correlates with anything that you can hear on the video. And it's crazy to me because there's literally video evidence of it. Did you guys forget that we're in the age of technology where we can find the smallest thing that's being said in any kind of audio or video? And this is what insisted on keeping under the rug, letting this community leader say what he wants about a member of the community and still keep him in position. Y'all have kept this man in position for so long that this is not even the first and it's not the only. And if you need to, go ahead and run it back one more time and hear him admit that he's already done this with 2 other people. People who know him personally know that he has a certain reputation in town, especially people that have been around him or known him for the past 20-25 years. It's just unfortunate that the Marshallese community in Northwest Arkansas is growing and he's still in position, because all that really means is that's more people for him to fuck over, and y'all are still gonna keep him in position. Y'all don't give a damn about the people. You give a damn about what people think. That's crazy. You're wrong. You're all wrong. Everything you try to hide in the dark is always gonna find its way to the light. So y'all can keep trying to hide things under the rug.